I'm Connie Burley, the 2022 Nebraska Realtor Association president, and it just seems like yesterday that I was here for my inaugural, and now it's your turn, Doug. I'm so excited for you.
This is an exciting time. Connie, thanks for everything you did in 2022. And we still got some things to get done yet in 2022, but I'm Doug Dohse. I'm going to be your incoming 2023 Nebraska Realtors Association president. And tonight we're here at this beautiful building at the Strategic Air Command Museum here in Ashland, Nebraska, to celebrate the greatest country in the world. And we just want to thank you guys for everything and look forward to a lot more things coming from us. And we will get back with you soon.
I'm Ryan Swinney. I'm the CEO for Nebraska Realtors. Tonight we're here at the SAC Museum in Ashland, Nebraska to celebrate the installation of the 2023 President, Doug Dohse. First, I'd just like to commend Connie Burley, the 2022 President, on her hard work in such a successful year. With that being said, we're looking forward to 2023 with Doug bringing in some new, fresh ideas and where we're going to take Nebraska Realtors to in the future.